Another day, another boring diary. What day is it? I think it's April 9th. And I have all of these little plants today. And I wanted to try to up pot my basil and tomatoes. Because the tomatoes seem to be they're not growing as much as I feel like they should be. So we're gonna plant them into here. And then I have these size containers. And one of them's for lavender, but it hasn't grown big yet. Then this one's for the basil, so I'm gonna up pot that. I don't know if I'm gonna do all three. Probably will. But let's go outside and do this real fast. We're outside. It feels so nice. It's so cool, but yet warm in the sun. So this popped up out of nowhere in my lettuce thing. I just threw a bunch of beans in there. Our lettuce is honestly getting like so big. But I have all my extra soil here and I have a shovel. Oh, there's a wasp. It's pretty good to where I can just pull it out by the stem. Look at that. And I just pat it in. I'm gonna water it too. Look at the roots. That one. Okay. And I haven't taken this one out, so I don't know what this looks like. Wow. That's a lot. Okay. Did I forget to put earthworm castings? Probably. And we got our tomatoes in their bigger pots. The basil. And then here I planted some loofah just to see if I can get any good seeds, because I found those seeds in my room, like just on the floor. I'm like, you know what? Let's plant them, see what we get. I'm going inside. Dude, I love Dress to Impress so much, but I often rage quit because, oh, that was pretty. 2 stars. Anyone else do that? See, not even top 3. We're not playing Dress to Impress.